Hi, this is Brian. Today we're going to show you how to view your backup data using numbers. So let's open up the data and select the data table. The first thing we need to do is add a header. Only the date is currently a header, so we want to add a header so that we both have date and time. Now let's go ahead and insert a chart. We want to select and choose the 2-axis chart. This 2-axis chart will give us 2 y-axes. We're going to select the chart and we're going to redefine those y-axes. We're going to set the range on y-axis 1 to 0 to 200, and then we're going to change y-axis 2 to 0 to 100. The 0 to 200 will be the temperature, and the 0 to 100 will be for the humidity. Now it's time to change the plot data. This is where we're going to change the colors and the line types. Make our graph look how we want it. I want the temperature to be colored red, I want the vacuum to be blue, and the humidity to be green. This is how I'm familiar with seeing it on the iDRY screen. We also want to make sure that y-axis 1 is assigned to both temperature and vacuum. And for the humidity data, we'd like that on y-axis 2. Now the raw data of the vacuum that was saved is 0 to 100, which equals the 0 to 30 inches of mercury. So you can take the raw data and divide it by 3.3, and that'll get you the actual inches of mercury vacuum. We hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.